Hey everybody, welcome back to the Alabama Bee Girlz Dad. I'm heading out to do a bee removal this evening. I got a call from a buddy of mine that he's also a beekeeper, but he's kind of in limbo right now because he also is a farmer. And he just didn't have time to get out there to get them, so he called me and he asked me if I wanted to go get them. So I told him, yeah, I'll go get them. So I'm off to go pick up some bees out of a couch. So hopefully nobody's gotten stung on the rear end trying to sit on the couch, but we'll see. And let y'all know how it goes when we get there. Yeah, you can probably come right over in here. You can look down in there. See them down in there?
Oh, wow.
So they've gone down and went up into this arm. That's the reason they're right in here too. In fact, you can look, shine right there in that hole. You can see a whole bunch of them.
Dang.
So.
You think they've been here longer than a week?
Possibly. I'll know once I get it open.
Is this when they get mad?
They won't get too mad yet. It's when I start opening this up, that's when they'll start getting real mad. You say you don't care about it anymore, right?
You should have never been around here.
Alright. You got a trash bag?
Throw it down here. Got beer cans back here and everything.
Like a good chew toy for the dog, right?
Yeah, they love it.
See, that's a perfect little box for them right there.
Oh, is that what they're eating?
Yep.
Need a crowbar?
Yeah. I think I can go in from the side.
Oh, is it open?
Yeah, there we go.
Holy crap, dude. Wow. I've got to take a close-up video of that. That is unreal, man. That is crazy, dude. So they've been in here all a week.
Not gonna say that yet. I'm gonna say they've probably been in here about 2 weeks.
did they come from? Somebody else's spot?
Possibly. I had one. Probably. Was it last year? Year before last. I think it was last year. That we were out there at. Yeah, you can really see it. The comb now. See that comb up in there? So, I think, like I said, I think last year, might have been the year before, but I had one that, I got a call from the tube plant down there in Decatur, New Core Tube, and they had been there like an hour, and they had already put wax on the bottom of a couple of pipes where they were just like that, just hanging there. So they move pretty quick when they're ready to.
I mean, that's their job.
Yeah.
You know, that's what they do.
Mm-hmm. So. I just got to start knocking down these numbers. And she'll be up in the middle of this. It's already green though. One got me.
I get better enough while I'm in the woods. I don't want to do it on purpose.
There you go. It's got a little honey in it up there at the top. Fresh out of the hive.
Dude, I've seen Guatemalans in the woods just take this and eat it.
Oh yeah, you can. There ain't a bit of problem with it. Other than it's been laying on the ground a little bit over here. There's still like 4 more. Yeah, go right ahead. No, she could be anywhere in this. Usually she's going to be in a darker spot. And that's the reason I'm not so worried about these outer tones right now. Until I get towards the center more, I'm not really worried about her.
You want to try to slide that couch out some? Would that help?
I think I'm all right now. Well, yeah, if we could, it would help on this next one.
I think if I get this end out, that end will come pretty easy.
You slide this back. I'll take the bad end.
Yeah, buddy.
There we go. Finish cutting this back.
Gosh, dog, man.
Yeah, you talk about Corey, yeah. He got me started into this and then he took off.
Later that same evening.
Made it home with them. Finish off the video here. Got my adapter box here. And I'm gonna take a little bit of paper, cram right in there. Because we want these girls to stay in the box for a night or two here. So I've made it home with these girls and shut the Bee Vac off. My Everything Bee Vac. Go ahead and take the top off. It's not of the defense though.
My role is to take the ball deep, take the top off the defense. To take the ball deep, take the top off the defense.
If I can't get to it, nobody can get to it.
So, I don't know how well you can see, but they are packed in there. So what I've done, so I went ahead and put 2 boxes on, and then I've got a box for them to flow into, and then I've got my adapter board here, and we're gonna see if we can get these girls in here now. So what I've done is I've cut the hole just big enough for this to fit down in. And then what I'm gonna do is maybe slide that back, reach in here, and there we go. And what they're going to do is they're going to stay there for the night. And probably tomorrow too. We'll see how they do at that point. But I've got the entrance closed up so that they can't get out. So that'll give them, I'll give them probably about 48 hours locked up. Let them kind of figure out, hey, this is home. And we'll see how they're doing after that. So, all right. Well, it's 10 o'clock at, well, probably about 10:30 now. But I'm fixing to call it a night and head to bed. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. You know, any of that helps us as a channel. We appreciate it. And until next time, y'all be safe.